Gambella demographics. Based on the 2007 census conducted by the Central Statistical Agency of Ethiopia (CSA), the Gambella region has total population of 307,096, consisting of 159,787 men and 147,309 women. Urban inhabitants number 77,925. Or 25.37% of the population, with an estimated area of 29,782.82 square kilometers. This region has an estimated density of 10 people per square kilometer. For the entire region, 66,467 households were counted, which results in an average for the region of 4.6 persons to household, with urban households having on average 3.8 and rural households 4.9 people. Various Nilotic ethnic majority populations mainly inhabit the Gambella region: Nuer, Anuak, Aniwa, Majang, and others. For 5. In 1994, the National Census reported the region's population to be 181,862 in 35,940 households, of whom 92,902 were men and 88,960 women. 27,424, or 15.08%, were urban inhabitants. This total also includes an estimate for all 19 Kebalis of one warda and 6 Kebalis in 2 other wardas, which were not counted. These areas were estimated to have 19,465 inhabitants, of whom 9,203 were men and 10,262 women. The 6 largest ethnic groups of the region were Nuer, Anuak, Aniwa, Amhara, Oromo, Rajang, Como, and other ethnic groups. Languages spoken are Nuer, Anuak, Amharic, Afan, Oromo, Majang. The remaining spoke all other primary languages reported. 6. The projected population for 2017 was 435,999. 2. Values for reported common indicators of the standard of living for Nuer as of 2005 include the following: 44% of the inhabitants fall into the lowest wealth quintile. Adult literacy for men is 57.5%, and for women, 22.8%. And the regional infant mortality rate is 92 infant deaths per 1,000 live births, which is greater than the nationwide average of 77. At least half of these deaths occurred in the infant's first month of life.